On May 5, 2023, history was made in the United Kingdom, as Prince Charles became King Charles III in a grand coronation ceremony at Westminster Abbey. The ceremony was steeped in tradition and pageantry, with the crown jewels symbolizing the authority of the British monarchy. The momentous occasion culminated in the iconic St. Edward's crown being placed on the king's head, signifying his divine right to rule. The procession featured members of the royal family, the military, and various cultural groups representing the diverse communities within the United Kingdom. The celebrations continued with a star-studded coronation concert at the O2 Arena, featuring performances from some of the world's most renowned artists. The coronation of King Charles III marks the beginning of a new era for the British monarchy and the nation as a whole. The event serves as a reminder of the enduring power of tradition and the importance of continuity in the face of change. As the United Kingdom faces numerous challenges in the 21st century, the stability and unity provided by the monarchy offer a sense of comfort and reassurance to many. The reign of King Charles III and Queen Camilla promises to be one of steadfast commitment to their subjects and dedication to upholding the values and principles that have defined the British monarchy for centuries.